field. So we all know what is a design thinking, right? It is a process of understanding the needs of the cube. So totally we have 5 stages in design thinking: empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing. In empathy part, we will be listing out what are all the problems that is faced by the user. In define part, we will be defining the actual problem statement based on the empathy part. In ideate, we will be listing out the ideas to solve the problem, which we have defined in the define part. And after listing out the ideas, we have to design a prototype, right? It has been done in the prototype part. So after designing the prototype, we will be testing whether it meets the needs of the user. It is done in the testing part. If suppose if it doesn't meet the user requirement, again we have to start with the define part. So it is an iterative process. So it process continues until the user needs are met. Okay, so in today's session we are all going to have a discussion on discussion on applications of the electromagnetic field. How design thinking approach can be applied on the applications of the electromagnetic field. Okay, let's start the discussion.
Hello everyone, I am Tanya. I like to speak about the empathize part. So empathize is the first stage in design thinking, and it's about to understand the problems, needs and the flaws of the user by standing on their shoes. So here we come across the applications of electromagnetic waves in day-to-day lives by using mobile phones, Wi-Fi and wireless communications, MRI in health issues and healthcare, etc. In here, we face challenges such as low communication, slow and concerns of health and safety in medical sectors such as. So, to overcome this, we have to design an application based on electromagnetic waves to have a secure and a high efficient one.
Hello everyone, I am here to discuss about the define part, which is the second stage design thinking. It's the problem statement. I will discuss about how electromagnetic waves can improve the efficiency, safety and communication healthcare by loosening the compound and various things. Some of the key challenges of electromagnetic field are electromagnetic interferences, electric losses and SIR limits and radiation exposure. Some of the safety regulations including in that.
So Ratish explained what is the actual problem statement that has been done in the electromagnetic field. And next one is the ideate.
So hello everyone, I am going to talk about ideate state. Ideate is the third stage in design thinking. Here we think different ideas using electromagnetic field to
Pass.
Hello everyone, I am going to talk about the ideate stage in design thinking. Ideate is the third stage in design thinking. Here we think different types of ideas using electromagnetic field to solve a real life problem. One idea is a wireless power transfer. Here the power is transferred without using wires. This helps charging more efficient and safer. And in medicals we use MRI scan which use electromagnetic field to scan the body without any surgery. And find the problem which organ is damaged or injured. And electromagnetic field used communication system in mobile phones, Wi-Fi and satellites for fast data transfer. And we can use electromagnetic field for e-vehicles, for wireless charging for roads in future. This shows how electromagnetic field solves our real life problems.
Next one is a prototype part.
So as we see in ideate part, prototype in which we really make a prototype which we are going to test in the future ideas. So the first one in the prototype is using the EMF in which wireless charging. So wireless charging of an iPad. Wireless charging of an iPad is very common in this 5G generation. We use charging without any physical contact or wire. It is used for its portability. The second one is medical imaging. So we know that medical imaging is used in every scanners in like MRI or CT. In MRI or CT, we scan a human body very precisely and find where the tumors are there or what malfunctions have happened in our human body without cutting or doing surgery. And the third one is smart antenna. We know what is antenna. So antenna is in which there is a two part. One is transmitter and another one is receiver. So we send some data or signals from transmitter to receiver in the form of EM. So transmitter is sends the form in EM and the receiver sends it through the data and collects the data. So these are the types we are selected in the Ideate to do the prototype.
Hi everyone, I am here to speak about testing, which is the last part of the design thinking. And based on electromagnetic waves under testing, check efficiency and based on EMF of the system, and also ensures that ensures safety of the users and the environment, and also varies cost effectiveness and also the reliability, and finally to collect feedback and to improve the design.
So we all had a discussion on design thinking approach on applications of electromagnetic field. So by applying the design thinking approach, we can design a more reliable, cost effective and more efficient product. So thank you all for your valuable points. Thank you.
Thank you.